Hello children, how are you? Today I, Clara Singh, will be teaching you English language for class 3 and we will be starting with the chapter 4, Common and Proper Noun. So children, what is a common noun? Common nouns are the name of the person, place and thing. So whatever name of, like we say city, if I take the example city, so city can be Dehradun, Delhi, Bombay. If I take example of girl and boy, so we have names for girl like Reena, Sita, Pooja. Boy we have Rahul, Shyam, Mohan. So these are common nouns. Let me also give you some more examples. For teacher, when we say teacher, it's a common noun. We have a new teacher in a class. Do we know the name? No. Here common noun is teacher, but once we come to know about the teacher's name, then that name becomes a proper noun. Same goes with the month. Which month is this? Anybody knows? Which month? Yes, it is the month of May. May will be proper, but common noun will be month, because here it does not have any name. Drink, it can be a cold drink, it can be a hot drink. Same with the country. You know there are many countries in the world like India, Nepal, America, Australia, but here just now we are only saying country. So children, I hope you understood what is common noun. Now we will learn something about proper nouns. Proper nouns are the name of a particular person, place and thing. So if you're a girl, girl is a common noun. But if your name is Pooja, then it comes under proper noun. Same when we are staying in a city. Which city do we live? Everyone tell me, which city do we live? Yes, we live in Dehradun. So here Dehradun is a proper noun. If we go to any mall, or if you go to any kind of bazaar, we say we are going to a bazaar. Which bazaar? Bazaar is a word for common noun, but if you are going to a Reliance or Big Bazaar, it is a proper noun because it has a name of that place. We are going to a Reliance Mart, so it has a name. Like if I say I have a friend near my neighborhood, so you know that your friend has a friend, but you don't know her name. So when you ask who is that girl or who is that boy, what is her name, then you come to know, oh, she is Sheila. Her best friend's name is Sheila, who has come to stay next door. Same, we have some examples like cake. I want to eat something. Something what? I want to eat something sweet, and that is a cake. So that will come in a proper noun. I have some more examples where we are going to we'll come to know about common noun and proper noun. First is city. As I said, which city we are living in? We are living in Dehradun. So city comes underneath common nouns and Dehradun comes under proper nouns. Second, girl or boy. This comes under common noun. Girl or boy comes under common noun. So the name you have to give is, for example, Pooja. Pooja is a girl's name and she is a boy's name. Teacher. So here common noun is teacher, but we have a name of the teacher. I have given an example, Mrs. Dubey. So here Mrs. Dubey is the proper noun. Same goes with month. Month is a common noun. And what is the proper noun? May, because which month we are in? We are in the month of May. Drink. I asked you, it could be a cold drink or a hot drink. You can write down, you can give any name to the drink, like if you like to drink fruity, Maaza or Pepsi, or would you like to have hot milk, tea, coffee, right? So that comes under proper noun. Country. Country, as I said, we have many countries in the world like India, America, Australia. So that name comes under proper noun. So children, have you all understood what is a common noun and a proper noun? I will repeat that common noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. The proper noun are the names of a particular person, place and thing. So children, have you understood what is a common noun and a proper noun today? I hope you liked watching it, you understood it. Now we have homework. Open your books, open to chapter number 4, page number 17. Have you all opened? Yes, you will write down homework on the top. We have 2 boxes with missing letters. Can you see those boxes? They are missing letters. You have to complete those boxes. Then turn to page number 18. Have you all turned to page number 18? We have an exercise A and B. So here you have to do these exercises. In my next video, I will solve all those exercises and we will see you all have written it correctly. I hope everyone is doing the homework. Stay home, stay safe, take care.